Hello lovelies, it's Sarah Luhu, your beauty BFF, and today I'm going to show you how to take your hair from this, which is just my natural hair texture rough dried with a blow dryer, to this super polished smooth side using one tool that I recommend for every beginner. Like if I just flip my head over and dry my hair, this is kind of what it comes out to. So we need to refine this, and that's why I think this tool is so perfect, because it's great for someone who doesn't necessarily know how to or want to learn how to blow dry with a round brush, just because it has like a lot of dexterity to it and coordination, and some people just don't got it, you know? But with this little brush here, we can all fake a perfect blowout. This is the Bondi Boost Infrared Thermal Bounce Brush. We're just gonna call it Bounce Brush for short, and it is freaking amazing. The infrared heat in it is actually safer for your hair. It causes less heat damage than like your standard hot tools do. I will say this, I know a couple people though who have used like thermal brushes like this on wet hair. This is not a blow dry brush. Think of this as a curling iron. You do not want to take a curling iron to wet hair. Do not take a thermal brush to wet hair. Make sure your hair is thoroughly dry before applying this to your head. I want to give you a close up of the bristles. So it has these like plastic bristles that really grip the hair well, and it is so easy to use, which is why I recommend this to so many people. It doesn't take a lot of practice to master this, and you can get really close to the root. Like I can set this all the way onto my scalp without burning myself. Another reason why this is great for beginners. I'm gonna turn it on, and we get the little display that has the temperature of it. And look how pretty it is. Ooh, it glows. And then it beeps when it's to temperature. I'm going to part this. And I do feel like because this has a pretty wide barrel, we can take larger sections, so it's also pretty quick to use. I say that, but I also have pretty fine hair. I'm gonna come in here and just pick this first section up, okay? And I'm just essentially brushing through it to smooth it out. I'm gonna show you guys how I do the back, which this is so good. Like all of these pieces for me are so tiny. So being able to come in here with this brush and literally like I can touch it with my finger and place the brush all the way onto the scalp and like restyle it like this. It's a game changer. If you have any flippy cowlicks in the back of your head, I have a ton. They can be really hard to style. And this brush just makes it so easy. Let's leave this side out, actually. I want to show you all half and half. So I'm just gonna take this in 2 more layers. So we'll take just the very top section. And always, always, always use your heat protection before using a hot tool. Even this one with the infrared that is gentler on the hair, doesn't cause as much heat damage. You still want to protect the hair. Oribe's, this is the Gold Lush Dry Heat Protection Spray. It smells so good and is to be used on dry hair. So it's perfect for like restyling dry hair. And what I love about it is my hair isn't even really hot after like gliding the brush through it. You know, sometimes like your hair can literally burn you. It's so hot after running like a straight iron over it. This, you like run it past it, and then you can touch your hair right afterwards and it doesn't even feel super hot. This brush it's magical. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't think it was gonna be, like I was like, okay, like another hot tool. I have a ton of like blow dry brushes and things like that. But this infrared brush really is just different and so good at just smoothing the hair out. Look at this side. This is what it looked like. And now look at it now. And it's really fast to use and easy to use. I'm telling you, if you don't like to like blow dry your hair with a round brush, get one of these, because like the results are just amazing. Onto the top layer. Okay, let's get into this side here. Like, why is this so easy? Oh my gosh, styling bangs with this, if you have curtain bangs, would be a dream, like a dream. FYI, if you have curtain bangs, you may need, like, even if you have long hair. If you have long hair, this is actually a really cool tool too, because you can use it to actually create waves. But if you just have a chic little bob like me and you want a nice sleek style, clearly it does that too. Let's create a little wave with this one, shall we? I'm gonna show you with like the front pieces how you would use it to create like waves, just like that. It's so good. Just look at what it's doing. I don't feel like I need to tell you all what it's doing, because the visual aspect of this is such a big difference. Like, this is what the hair looked like just a couple minutes ago, and this is what my hair looks like now. Is it me, or did this side just seem so easy? But I'm gonna time how long it takes to do this other half. We're about 30 seconds in, by the way, just in case you needed to know. We've done a third of it in 30 seconds. That was one pass through. That was one pass through. It's so good. Add in that little wave that we did on the other side. I mean, it's ridiculous how easy that is. Ridiculous. This is the kind of tool that changes someone's life and how they get ready every day. God, I love being a woman. That is like one of the moments I'm having right now. Bondi Boost, I'm obsessed with this brush. Thank you so much for making it. If any of you have questions about the brush, about the technique, about any of my hot tools really, drop them in the comments below. Like and subscribe so that you guys can see more of these videos. And I love you. I mean it. Bye.